Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing quadrilaterals, some special parallelograms. Okay, we are going to study now special parallelograms. Refreshing what are kinds of quadrilateral so that studying parallelogram or the special type of parallelogram will be very easy. See, I have repeated given this in some other video, just repeating it. The kinds of quadrilateral, A is trapezium, another type is kite, and parallelogram is third one. Then parallelogram is again classified into rectangle, square, and rhombus depending on the properties they carry. So trapezium I have covered already this. This is the same thing. One pair of opposite sides are parallel, and for angle and diagonal there are no rules. And for kite again the same thing. You can go through it, but we are presently trying to study this special parallelogram. So I am focusing only on this. Okay. This has also been covered in a previous video. This is a parallelogram. These are the conditions of parallelogram, and these are the particular parallelograms, special parallelograms as we can call them. We will just see this. We have seen this somewhere. Parallelogram means this is a parallelogram, and about sides, the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay. Then opposite angles are equal. This is a condition for the angle in parallelogram, and diagonals bisect each other. Okay, this is another condition. About this rectangle, square, and rhombus, we will be discussing separately. So I am just skipping it from this. Okay. The first one in special parallelogram, that is rectangle. Okay, so very simple conditions. This is the rectangle. The properties are opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. This and this. Okay, same as in parallelogram. All angles are right angles. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, but in this, they are not only equal, but they are right angles. Okay, all angles are right angles. There is a particular case, it's called rectangle. And about diagonals bisect each other and are equal. So they bisect, but this diagonal, length of this diagonal and length of this diagonal is same. As in they are equal. That is a speciality of a rectangle. Okay. Move ahead to another one. Second one, second special case of parallelogram is square. The properties of the square are opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. This is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. Not only that, all sides are equal. Okay. All angles are right angles. Okay. In rectangle, only two sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Here, all sides are equal. Okay. And another thing is diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree and are equal. So here diagonals are equal and they bisect each other at 90. So this is 90. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree and are equal. Okay. So you know the particulars of square. Move ahead to rhombus. Third type of special parallelogram is rhombus. This is a rhombus. Okay. So we'll see the properties of rhombus. All four sides are equal. All four sides are equal. Even all four sides of square are also equal. Then what is the difference? Opposite angles are equal. See here. In square, opposite angles are 90. Here they are not 90. That is the difference between rhombus and square. But opposite angles are equal. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. And diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, that is right angle, and bisect the angles. So diagonals bisect each other at 90. So these all four angles are 90, 90, 90, and they even bisect the angles. This. Okay. So that is a particular case of rhombus, and these are the properties, particular properties of rhombus. Okay. We need to use these properties to solve the problem. Okay. And we will move ahead in solving problems. So problems related to parallelogram. Here are some simple problems. If you understand the properties of parallelogram, then you can definitely understand this. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals, here is talking about only about the diagonals. The first condition is A, bisect each other. Which are the quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other? Answer is parallelogram, rectangle, square, and rhombus. Okay, go and check. Then condition B is whose diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, perpendicular bisectors, answer is square and rhombus. Okay, and third one is whose diagonals are equal. Okay, answer is rectangle and square. Okay, these are the very simple problems. Another one is second one is ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to right angle, that is hypotenuse. O is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay. Explain why O is equidistant from A, B and C. Look for the additional construction. So you will be solving this, try to understand this, then you will understand the solution. So we are moving ahead to the solution of this. Okay. The second one, so we try to draw the triangle first. Okay, this is a triangle and this is O. You will come to know we will rewrite this problem. Just concentrate on drawing this triangle that's already given. Okay, so this is ABC is a right angle triangle and O. We'll read it again. This construction has been done by the author in red aligned construction. Okay, and then this is the right angle and a newly formed point. Let us give it, name it as D. Okay, now we rewrite the problem so that we can understand it properly, as we have a diagram ready or figure ready in front of us. Okay, so ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, you can see it. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is a point on side opposite to B. What is that B? B is right angle. Okay, read it again. ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, got it. Then O is a midpoint of the side opposite to, see that midpoint is very important. Okay, midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. Okay, now explain why O is equidistant from, as it is midpoint, is the problem itself says that OA is equal to OC. Only that we have to prove that is also equal to OB. Okay, so that will prove that why O is equidistant from ABC. Now he has given some construction also, a red aligned construction. So we have to use this construction for our help. See this. So with the help of this newly formed construction, we say, as you can see from the diagram or the figure that is constructed, ABCD, concentrate on ABCD. that A, B, C, D. I'm going deliberately slow. Okay, is a rectangle. That is very important. Okay, ABCD is a rectangle, and AC and BD, AC and BD are the diagonals of this rectangle. Okay, are you getting the argument in this? Very simple. AC and BD are the diagonals of this rectangle. Okay, now we can use the diagonal property of a rectangle. Okay, so by the diagonal property of a rectangle, which says that, see, read the comment. Though you are very slow, you are going very slow. I am also going very slow. This is only to understand the problem. Okay, so that thinking this uh, thought or whatever study you are doing is useful in another problem. Okay, so by the diagonal property of the rectangle, which says that diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Okay, this is very important property. First of all, that they are equal. That means AC is equal to BD and they bisect each other. Okay, so from this property, the combination of this, we get OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD, as they bisect each other and they are equal. Okay, this shows that OA, OB, OC all are equal. That means O is equidistant from ABC. Okay, very simple argument, and that construction has made it very simple. Okay, so that's your answer. Good luck. Thank you. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you face any difficulty in this topic, let me know through comment section. All the best.